Hey everyone, this is Jesse Eves from World Vision, and I'm here at the border with Bangladesh and India, where we have 5,000 people a day crossing between the two countries. It's also a portal for a massive amount of human trafficking. Men, women, and children are taken through here every day and are taken to India for labor and sexual exploitation, and then even onto the Middle East. We have girls that are taken to brothels in India. We have young boys taken for domestic servants and camel jockeys who are sent to the Middle East. This is a massive spot where human trafficking is happening, and the government of Bangladesh is working to crack down on it. They just recently passed a human trafficking law, and you won't be surprised to learn that a lot of the pressure for passing that law came from the American government and the authorizations created by the Trafficking Victims Protection Reauthorization Act. That's why we're fighting to get this bill passed. It's having a global impact, and you can help by calling your senators right now and telling them to pass the Trafficking Victims Protection Reauthorization Act. So go to the website, check it out, and then take action, because your voice can have an impact all the way on the other side of the world at this border crossing, so we can stop the flow of human beings and stop modern day slavery. So thank you very much.